Today's focus will be on Survey PlugIns, one of our platform's features that is used to enhance the performance and the outcomes of our Power Ups and Power Pack series.
There are varying methodologies and techniques such as interviews, workshops, and again, surveys that are used to collect user data and sentiments to develop measurable metrics. So through this, you can begin to understand what you need to focus on, how to make significant improvements to reduce risk, increase those KPIs, and drive future goals and improvements. You're going to see that we have a whole host of different types of surveys that we offer to you on the platform. But the focus for today is actually going to be our Likert Scale Survey. When you get into this plugin, you have this about section that really does describe to you what Likert is about. Always know that Likert goes on the scale from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. If you want to manage participants for your Likert Scale Survey, we offer that service for you here, and we do the analysis for you right here. So I'm going to flip over and show you what the analysis part looks like. Your analysis will break down how many people have actually entered their comments or have selected on that Likert scale how they feel. Now over here, I want to give you a quick look into how you can actually retain the data and even manipulate your data over time.
We've got new functionality coming for our founders around visibility to their startup score. This information is used by investors to look for investment opportunities in startups like yourself. Completion of these power-ups, completion of these plugins like the Likert Scale Survey all factor into the scores calculation. We encourage you to go in, use the platform, complete these power-ups, complete these plugins to help drive your startup forward.
We're always open to any feedback you may have.